Good morning, Rax.
Hello.
Today is Wednesday, March 25th, which makes today International Waffle Day. And I got my Belgian waffles, so I'm doing all right. Maybe have some of those in a little bit. Three big things. Today is Pajama Learning Day here with Rax students and teachers as well. Let me see if you can see my pajamas. Got the Bill swag ready to go with the moccasins as well. So when you're online, if you're on a visual learning live experience, get in the pajamas, get in the experience, have a little fun with the middle of this week. A lot of you have already been doing your online learning. Case in point, Randy. Randy was documented in the Democrat Chronicle with his siblings for what they're doing to stay active. I mean, look at that table. They're getting to work. We have been talking a lot about social distancing, and I still think we can do better with that. We're not out of the woods yet. In fact, we're still getting into a tougher spot. New York City's become a real problem. 60% or more of the cases that are now occurring are taking place in New York City. And like it says, germs are everywhere.
Ew.
And you don't want to catch coronavirus. You don't want the person near you to catch it. We still have a large problem here in Monroe County. We have more cases recorded than about 15 states in the country. But we don't want a bigger problem. And right now, that's what New York City is facing. So don't come into contact. Don't go around anybody that's been to New York City in the last 2 weeks, or definitely don't go travel down there or anywhere near there. It's a hot spot for this virus, and it's an area we're going to have to avoid for a little bit of time. A couple of reminders up there. Laskowski still needs some of the uniforms back. He needs the cheerleader coupon money and transportation forms. Get him in. Only birthday to speak of here today is outside of Rax, but still give respect to Aretha Franklin, and there's no way I am singing.
Yarr.
We don't want that. So that about wraps it up for today. Be healthy, be safe, keep learning, keep leading the pack, Rax. Have a great day.